Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, black desktop background in Windows 11 easy fix that works. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method, change theme settings. Third method is change accessibility options. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.